Hey y'all, I'm Dixie, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter M. Let's get started. This is the letter M. Why don't we learn the sound the letter M makes? To make the letter M sound, close your mouth tightly and let the air come out of your nose. Like this. Can you give it a go? Come on, you can do it. Wonderful. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter M sound. Muffin, moon, monkey, milk, mask. Those words all start with the letter M sound. Can you please say those words with me this time? Muffin, moon, monkey, milk, mask. Wonderful job! I do believe it's now time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter M sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word mermaid, mermaid, and then ask you if it starts with the letter M sound, you would say, yes sirree, it sure does. But if I were to say the word ring, ring, and then ask you if it starts with the letter M sound, you would say, no, ring does not start with the letter M sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Skunk. Does skunk start with the letter M sound? No sirree, skunk does not start with the letter M sound. Now for your second word. Mountains. Does mountains start with the letter M sound? Yes, mountains does start with the letter M sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Mushroom. Does mushroom start with the letter M sound? Yes, sirree. Mushroom does start with the letter M sound. Wonderful job, guys! Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the letter M sound. See y'all later!